this is Show Me Snooki. I'm Snooki. I'm from the Show Me State, and this is our first video of the Dollar Tree Valentine's Day DIY series. I'm going to show you guys how to make this cute little Valentine's Day bug nightlight. What do you think? It costs $4. That's it. $4 to make this item. Let's get to it. These are the items that you will be needing for our first Valentine's Day DIY project. One of these buckets, a headband, a plushie, and a push light. You could also use a couple of the battery powered tea lights or even the strings of lights that you can purchase at Dollar Tree. Any of those options, but I chose this one. I felt like it gave the most light and it was easy to turn on and off. Let's get started.